Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can determine whether you have been blocked by some particular account or not. So for example, I have my account right here using which I have blocked this current account, and so I will show you how does a blocked account actually look like. So if I go to my messages and then go to this particular account from which I have blocked myself. So if I go here and go to the profile, you can see that nothing is appearing right here. So this is the case when someone has blocked you, so you won't be able to see their Instagram profile. If that's the case with you, then most likely you have been blocked by them. So if you see some sort of screen like this blank screen or other message like account not found or etc., or you get any network error, then that means you have been blocked by that person. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.